In this eye-opening video, we dive deep into the world of dieting and debunk some of the most common myths that have been circulating for years. Join us as we separate fact from fiction and reveal the truth behind popular dieting misconceptions. Have you ever wondered if skipping breakfast really leads to weight gain? Or if eating carbs after 6 p.m. will make you gain weight? We tackle these and many more dieting myths head-on, backed by scientific evidence and expert opinions. Prepare to have your mind blown as we uncover the truth about metabolism boosters, fat-burning foods, and the infamous cheat day. We'll explore the real impact of these dieting trends and provide you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your own health and wellness journey. Our goal is to empower you with accurate information, helping you navigate through the overwhelming sea of dieting advice that bombards us every day. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to clarity as we break down these common diet myths and reveal the truth. Whether you're a seasoned eater or just starting your health and fitness journey, this video is a must-watch. Join us as we challenge conventional wisdom and shed light on the facts that will truly make a difference in achieving your goals. Don't fall victim to misleading dieting myths any longer. Hit that play button and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more myth-busting content that will help you live your healthiest life.